Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs with tomatoes and onions. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1 small tomato, and about 1/4 of a medium onion. Also, have 1 tablespoon of butter or oil ready, along with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or brunch, serving 1 person in about 10 minutes. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by finely dicing your small tomato into small, even pieces. Next, chop about 1/4 of a medium onion into very small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook quickly and blend well. Then, crack your 2 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them vigorously until they are light and frothy. Finally, season your whisked eggs lightly with a pinch of salt and pepper. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your diced onions and sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become soft and translucent. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until they start to soften slightly. Finally, pour your whisked eggs directly into the pan with the cooked vegetables. To finish, let the eggs set for about 30 seconds without stirring. Then, gently push the cooked eggs from the edges towards the center of the pan. Continue to gently fold and stir the eggs until they are mostly set but wonderfully moist and creamy. Remove the pan from the heat immediately to prevent any overcooking. Serve your delicious scrambled eggs hot, perhaps with a slice of toast or a sprinkle of fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.